How to redeem GameStop gift card online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, you have to open up a browser on your PC or in your mobile device. Search for GameStop.com on the URL box. Wait for you to be redirected to the official homepage of GameStop. To redeem your GameStop gift card, first and foremost you have to go ahead and purchase an item off the GameStop application or website. For an example, I'll be selecting this item to purchase. You have to go ahead and select the option of Add to Cart. Once it is added to cart, you can cancel this. Then head to the cart icon at the top. You will get your product description right here. To enter your promo code or your gift card number, go ahead and tap on this plus sign icon. You will see a substantial discount after you have entered your promo code or your gift card number. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once you are done, select Proceed to Checkout. For this, you have to log in to your GameStop account, then continue with your payment. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.